Good morning, Mr. Shiba Bharati. Your interview is going to be on October 4th. In which place? In
Sir, in Coimbatore.
Coimbatore. Acha.
Coimbatore.
Very good. Excellent. I
Yes.
think there is some problem in internet. Please come out and sit near some window or go to terrace.
Yes.
So that your voice is heard without being cut.
Surround me.
You please go near that open
Sir, just a minute.
window. Go near a window or upstairs. You are staying in first floor or ground floor?
Now, can you hear me, sir?
No, I'm not able to hear you. The voice is getting torn. It is not coming correctly. Previously, at least it was heard. Now, where are you sitting? Are you sitting inside the room or near the window? Shiva Bharati.
Yes, sir. Now can you hear me, sir? I came out.
You came out. Acha.
Yeah. I came to terrace.
Terrace. Very good. Here
Yes,
it is slightly better than what it was there.
Yes.
Very good. So, can you please, this is your first or second mock interview?
The second mock, sir. Second mock.
Oh, great. First you had it already. Acha.
So, yes, sir. I had it on August 26th itself.
Arey Baba. So long.
Yes, sir.
Because I wanted to complete everybody early. That is the reason. Doesn't matter.
Yeah. Yes,
Shiva,
sir. No problem.
Mr. Shiva Bharati, please tell us about yourself.
So, good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Sivabharati from Udumalpet, Tamil Nadu. I have done my UG in BCom from PHG College of Arts and Science with a mainstream of Compass and PG in MBA Finance and HR from Jain University, Bangalore. And I passed both of them with a distinction. And I worked as a credit manager for unsecured loans in HDFC Bank, where I learned about skills like portfolio management, credit analysis, credit underwriting, TAT purposes, and so on. I am a person with good interpersonal skills and ability to get well along with people. Coming to my family background, both my father and mother are farmers. I have a younger sister who is pursuing her second year BCom in PHG College of Arts and Science. I am a sports enthusiastic person who won national silver medal in the year 2018 100 meters. And I'm a person who is more concerned in fitness and at present coaching the local students in order to build up their sports career.
Very good. So you help others for sports. Which type of sports?
Sir, athletics, sir.
Athletics. Good.
Yes, daily morning.
Yeah, in one way when you were talking, somewhere you said and so on. Please don't use such words. And
okay,
so,
sure, sir.
Such phrases to be avoided. Otherwise, you talked very nicely. How long did you work in HDFC?
Sir, I worked for 1 year and 1 month.
1 year and 1 month, right?
Yes.
Now, which is the largest bank in our country?
So, largest bank is State Bank of India.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Wrong. HDFC Bank is the largest bank.
So, it's the second most largest, is HDFC?
No. We will see that. Because they have asked not only first largest, second largest is ICICI. India, largest bank in India. HDFC Bank is the largest bank in India in terms of market cap and the fourth largest bank in the world on the same terms. You know what is meant by market cap?
So generally the market capital are the customer base.
Wrong. See, you are a commerce student, finance student. You must tell properly. You must tell properly. Market capitalization means what is the share price of the bank as on today multiplied by the number of shares issued.
Okay.
Invariably, they are asking about what is the share price of our Federal Bank.
Okay.
And what is the market capitalization also?
It's 315 billion.
Yeah, correct. What is the market? What is the share price now?
Sir, it's 146 something. Sir, yesterday it was high was 147.26.
So now, so you are aware about that?
Yes.
Just a minute, because it is not coming now for me.
Okay, so no problem.
Just a minute, I will open it. I can go here also. Good. Federal Bank folder, A 2023. Yeah, I got it. Market capitalization is 351.08 today. 351.08. But if you don't remember, you tell as on 28th, 28th or 29th.
Okay.
28th. This was on, no, sorry, today it was on 29th. 29th.
Yes.
29th, it was 147.20, market capitalization 351.08.
Okay.
What is the equity capital of our Federal Bank?
Sir, it's like 423 crores.
Yeah. And what is your name?
Sir,
Again, it is getting disconnected. What is your full name? Haridas, sir? Or what is it? Hello, again.
Sir, Siva Bharati G's.
Siva Bharati, yeah.
Siva Bharati G's.
Yeah, very good. Next important question for you, for people from HDFC, what they are asking is, what do you know about the HDFC Bank merger with the main company? So I don't know how you are going to do it. If necessary, you go to somebody in HDFC Bank or go to Google, the website, and try to know full details about HDFC present business position, deposit, advances, profit, number of staff, number of branches. Please note it. Okay. They are very particular about this question. I don't know what is the reason. Are you hearing?
Sir.
You heard about it. So can you tell me about the HDFC Bank now? Can you tell me about HDFC Bank now? It is getting, your sound is getting disconnected.
Yes, sir.
Please,
that, sir, and I have learned that also. What about merger? What is the problem? The thing is,
tell me about the merger, and after merger, what is the position?
Yes.
Can
now
you,
can you hear me, sir?
Now I can hear you. Now please speak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will let you know, sir. The thing is that the HDFC was planning for a merger between HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited. Sir. HDFC Bank is generally for urban, semi-urban areas, and HDFC Limited was mostly concentrated in rural areas. So, in order to widen the customer base and expand the financial stability and also cost-saving method, they planned to do the merger for HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank. And they did the merger in the year in this year July 2023. And after the merger, everyone was predicted that the HDFC share might grow above 2000. Even the Goldman Sachs and other companies were recommended for a strong buy. But in the terms of September, when they assessed all their balance sheet, the net NPA, the non-performing asset tick, has been suddenly increased. And when in the terms of HDFC Bank, the bank has maintained only 3% of cash reserve ratio. But when it comes to the merger, the total balance sheet, it has to maintain around 4% of cash reserve ratio. And the bank has not maintained this SLR ratio when it was HDFC Bank. And after the merger, it was also promoted that it has to maintain around 18% of SLR ratio. And there are many shareholders who, because as the shares are completely converted into HDFC Bank, many shareholders who want this HDFC Limited as the shares, who withdrawn their money suddenly. So due to this, in the past 10 days, HDFC is suffering from this merger, and the 4 to 5% of the HDFC share value has been came down. This is the reason why they're asking.
Very good. 4 to 5% of share value has come down.
Yes, sir. It was around 1,600 something, sir. Now it was around 1,527.
Excellent. You told this very nicely. Nobody has told this much clearly. Good. But one place you did a mistake. They had to maintain CRR of 4%, you said. It is 4.5.
Okay, sure.
SLR is 18%. Correct.
Yes.
What is the present repo rate?
Sir, present repo rate is 6.5%.
What is the present reverse repo rate?
3.35%.
What is the present bank rate?
So bank rate is around 6.75%.
Around, don't say. It is 6.7.
Okay. 7.
What is the MSF rate?
So MSF rate is 6.35. I think so. I have read
6.75. That is
75.
also
Okay.
6.75. And
Okay.
standing deposit facility rate is
Sir, I think 5.2.
6.25.
Okay. I am not able.
I have
Okay.
posted a video yesterday about MPC terminologies, Monetary Policy Committee terminology. Did you see that
Okay.
video? Did you see that
Sir, no,
video?
sir. No, sir,
You
I
have
haven't.
you have to see that. I have explained about repo rate, reverse repo rate, then
Okay, sir.
about liquidity adjustment facility, everything. Please go through that.
Okay. Sure.
Now, look, Hari, you were working in HDFC. What was your main job role?
So my main job role is to process and appraise the unsecured business loans with the
What,
product cap from 1 lakh to 90 lakhs, at most 1 crores.
Bob, they used to give even 1 crore unsecured loan.
Yeah, sir, 1 crore unsecured loan, sir. But in main areas like Chennai, Mumbai, and they are providing up to 1.5 crores, with taking 50% of FD as collaterals.
That's say that. Acha, acha. It is called unsecured, but they take 50% as collateral.
Yes, sir. If the loan amount is more than 1 crore, sir, if all the financials are okay, if the eligibility of the loan is more than 1 crore or 1.5 crore, if a person has deposit in that, also only for internal customers, sir. If a person has deposit in HDFC Bank as a FD, they can take as collateral as FD for that extra 50% loan, that is 50 lakhs loan, and they will provide that as a 1,50,000.
Excellent. So you said all parameters are okay. Can you please tell me which parameters you will be looking into?
Okay, sir. Generally, first we'll come up on the either we look at it, either he's an internal customer or external customers. If he's an internal customer, the result named Positex will show all the reflects and what are the address details, what are the internal track, repayment tracks, and everything. And next upon, we'll go on the bank accounts, which a current account or OD account, CC account. Then we'll go on the business stability. It's nature of business, sir. Either it's a MSME business or it's a large scale business or IT business. Because in our area in Coimbatore and Tirupur, it's mostly about automobile and textiles. And generally, next upon we'll go on a CIBIL reports. The MLB score, multi-bureau score, and CIBIL scores and repayment trackers. Or if we found any substandard or doubtful or written off assets in the older period, and we'll ask proof for the clarification. And next one, we'll go for an inquiries list. How many unsecured inquiries they have made in last 6 months, and how many unsecured live loans they have taken away in the last 6 months from any bank or any financial institution, NBFCs like that. And in the case of private limited company, we also see about Prop 42 reports. It shows the AGM, annual general meeting of the companies evenly completed by every year by year. And if there is any willful default in the name of any directors, and we'll also run manual CIBIL for every directors who are in the company. And next upon, we'll go for a GST, total turnovers. I will go for profit and loss account to see the total sales value and net profit value, and in the balance sheet also. We will compare year by year as it top line has been increased or either decreased. And we'll also take GST as a turnover, last 12 months GST. And there are some norms for manufacturers around 8% we can take as a margin, and for traders and services we can take around 5 to 6%. And for wholesalers we can take about 4%. And if you go on loan amount more than 50 lakhs and 35 lakhs also, we'll see a maximum permissible business finance. That the MPPF value must be positive. And more than 50 lakhs we'll see on current ratio and leverage ratios.
Super. You have told very nicely. What is leverage ratio?
So leverage ratio, generally the total assets divided by the total debts, long-term and short-term debts. The general leverage ratio must be kept by the company is 1.7%. So it should not be more than 1.7. It should be around 1.7 to 2. So it's a good leverage as of policies and procedures.
Excellent. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. You told these things nicely. So yes. You were what was the nature of work you were processing? Means papers will come to you. You were
no, sir, people does. Yes, the people doesn't come, sir. Only the files through system will come to us. Every morning the logins from ROT and except Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, we will get many files. There are around 15 credit managers from ROT and location. So based on some allocation, based on the case pendings, we'll get allocations through mail. And there is a software named LaserSoft. Through this, we go and re-forward our case to our own queue, and we'll start appraisings.
Good. So all these appraisals, the software itself will do, or you have to do it?
No, sir. We have to do manually, sir. Every calculations are done manually through the Excel system. And after that, we write a note called CAM, sir. It's a detailed report of regarding the customer's profile, business, customer's dedupe report, CIBIL report, the loan repayment track details, everything. And finally, there is some data entry also, sir. We have to check with that we had made a right calculation. The system also shows the eligibility, so we have to check either it's correct or not. And after that, we'll forward the case to the superiors for their approvals. And generally, for more than 50 lakhs loan, as a credit manager, we generally visit the business place to know the business cycle as from the beginning to the end, and also have an interact with customers and what is the purpose of the loan and how far he is doing his business and how the business is going on, like this.
Whether you will be going or the branch people will be going?
No, so credit managers say, credit managers we personally go. Generally, they don't allow training credit managers, as like me who are experienced with 1 year or 6 months. But I take initiative with them. I ask them even in holidays to go visit them and know the nature of business.
So you were going, you were making unofficial visits, correct?
Yeah, sir. We'll go with official visits only, sir. With the bank permission, and we have to write that report also in the system, sir.
So what are
visited in the time?
What are the cities you visited?
So we visited around Coimbatore and Tamil Nadu. So under nearby geo locations around 100 kilometers we'll go, sir.
Excellent. See, let me honestly tell you, your performance is extremely good. And your confidence level is very nice. And you must dress yourself very nicely, properly comb your hair, have your light color shirt, dark color pant, put on your tie. Are you going to wear a coat? No.
Sir, no, sir. Generally a formals only, sir. White hand shirt for full hand shirt with a blue color pant with a brown shoe.
Are you going to wear a tie or not?
Sir, no, sir. I'm not planning to wear, sir.
Why? In HDFC they were wearing or not?
Sir, no, sir. HDFC we generally go in a formals way, sir. No ties. No one wears tie, even superiors.
If there is the case, no problem. You go.
Okay.
And you're answering everything very correctly. Now come to current affairs. Tell me some recent current affair news you are remembering.
So recent current affairs was one thing about the HDFC Bank's share price fall down, sir. And another coming to that, our CEO MD Ram Srinivasan told about the digitalization of banks in India. So as many things are digitalized, he told that it's very easy to maintain the Indian credit system. So everything comes under CIBIL or everything comes under bank's accounts. So we can easily assess the credit worthiness of the customers. Either he's doing any fraud works in the bank accounts or he's doing some illegal activities like that. And we also know his back repayment track record. So this is very helpful, he said. And coming to that, India at present, India has a medal tally of 33 medals in the Asian Games tally and is standing in the 4th place.
Good. Now, what is the news about Reserve Bank and State Bank of India, Indian Bank?
So that I have no knowledge regarding.
See, recently, Reserve Bank of India has fined a State Bank of India, Indian Bank about, say, huge for violation of certain norms.
Okay.
Good. Then,
sir, and one more thing happened that everyone knows that some 9,000 crore rupee has been credited to a TMB bank account driver. And S. Krishna, who is the CEO and MD, who is resigned immediately after that incident yesterday.
Is it due to that one, or he was having idea of resigning?
No, it was stated in news. It's like that only, sir. After the 9,000 crore was credited in a driver's account, the CEO has been resigned.
90,
I think they
not 9,000, 90,000.
Okay.
I don't know. Is it 90,000 crore or 9,000 crore? 1 minute.
I heard it was 9,000 only.
TMB, wrong credit. in driver's account. Yeah.
Yes.
Chennai Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank announced S. Krishnan has resigned from the post of managing director. The development comes a week after Thoothukudi-based bank accused of a wrong credit of 9,000 crore. You are
Yes,
right.
sir. 9,000.
9,000 crore in a taxi driver's account. For that, why should he resign?
So that idea we doesn't even know that. I think so. The news has been propagated like that when he automatically resigns, they had a reason and they were completely simplified it. I think so. There was no clear information regarding that was posted.
Anyhow, whatever it is, that's right. So now coming to the questions they are asking in Federal Bank. So
Yes.
what is the GNPA, NNPA percentage of Federal Bank as on 30th June?
So GNPA was 2.38 and NNPA was 0.69 as per the previous records which are released in 30th.
You tell percentage, 2.38
Okay.
percentage.
Okay.
What is the total bank net worth?
So bank total, you're asking about the total business?
Bank net worth is 22,247.75 crore. Bank net worth. What is net worth? What is net worth?
So bank's general values are advance value with the advance and deposits.
Net worth is the sum of all your assets and liabilities at one moment in time. Positive net worth means that the value of the assets you own is higher than the liabilities you owe. Negative net worth means when the amount you owe as liability exceeds the value of assets.
Okay.
I'm just telling from our Google and giving it to you in our friend group.
So generally I have doubts, sir. Can I ask those?
Yeah, you can ask any doubt.
Yes, sir. So today is September 30 and they will release a quarter 2 results, right? Sir?
No. It will not come immediately. It will not come immediately. It will take 15 days.
So generally we can say these values as on 30th June.
You will tell only as on 30th June.
Okay, fine.
In 1 or 2 interviews, they have done mistake of asking figure as on 31st March also. Useless.
Okay, sir. Fine. Okay.
So that's right. Now, next question for you.
Okay.
I'm asking based on what is given here.
Okay, sure.
Please tell me what is mortgage loan?
So mortgage loan, generally loan which is applied or which is appraised, it is acquired by a customer by keeping some land or building which is a collateral for loans.
What is
generally
wholesale?
provided at 10 to
what is wholesale?
11.5%.
What is wholesale banking?
So wholesale banking generally selling variety of products like ODCC accounts and loan facilities and other accepting deposits and creating FDs. Every banking facility which are included by processing and by products which are sold to customers.
No, but wholesale banking means what? I think doing it for wholesale banking refers to the banking services sold to large clients,
high net worth clients,
such as other banks, other financial institutions, government agencies, large corporations, and real estate developers. It is the opposite of retail banking, which focuses on individual clients and small businesses. I am posting this in the WhatsApp group. Okay, sure. I think you are not going through the questions that are appearing. Are you watching this every day?
Sir, I was watching in a group only, sir. What are the questions?
No, not group. I am posting it in the year 2023. That one link I have given you, 140 pages now. Are you seeing this? Are you
I have referred that last month, sir, but now I have referred only the previous questions asked now as per the interview.
Now 140 pages. This is the one.
Okay, sir. I'll go through. No problem.
You must here only. They have asked today only all these things. What is debit card? What is credit card? Mortgage loan? Retail banking? Wholesale banking? What is wealth management? So
wealth management generally balancing the portfolio of the customer, sir, in both the asset side and liability side.
Wrong. Wealth management is the services done by the business development managers. They are assigned some 100 or 150 customers with a net worth of 30 lakhs and above. They will be going through the figures of the customers. They will give suggestions to the customers where they should invest the money. Hello.
Yes, sir. Hearing.
So you have to know about it. Please get to know
Okay.
about it. That
Okay,
itself is one separate work, wealth management advisory,
Okay.
for
Okay.
which bank will be getting commission.
Okay.
Then what is investment banking?
So these also generally, as a bank, we advise customers to invest in this like mutual funds or some other trade deposits in order to increase their value which was deposited in the bank, and through it also banks get commissions.
Which is the
As
number
a
one
service.
number one investment bank in India is ICICI Securities, Edelweiss Financial Services, Axis Bank, HSBC, etc. Which is
Yes.
the biggest investment banker in India?
Sir, as of now, it's ICICI only, sir.
Kotak Mahindra. It is given as Kotak Mahindra investment bank.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know why it is so, but then so you go through all these questions and
Yeah,
try
sure.
to update your knowledge.
Oh, sure.
That because now when they ask these questions, you
Okay.
must be able to tell.
Yeah,
Now,
sure.
what is CASA ratio of Federal Bank?
Sir, it's 31.45.
31 or 32?
So 31.45.
Okay, please check
It's
it out. Please
difference.
check it out.
Yes.
No problem. Please check it out.
Yes.
Good. What is NIM?
So net interest margin, it's interest generally earned by banks. That, for example, we can take that an asset which is incurred by a bank with a rate of interest 4%, and the liabilities, either loans which are sanctioned by a bank at 9%. The difference between that, the 5% is the net interest margin, which is income for the banks.
So you should say that the average interest earned on loans minus
sure.
average interest paid on our borrowings, deposits and borrowings.
Okay,
Good.
sure.
What is CAR of Federal Bank?
So capital adequacy ratio is around 14.28%.
Good. Excellent. Here they asked about PDTS of Federal Bank. What is this? Are you seeing on the screen?
Sir, yes, sir, I'm seeing only.
What is that about PDTS of?
Sir, I think so the products of Federal Bank, sir, generally retail banking, wholesale banking, debit card, credit cards, I think so like that only.
Correct.
For products only, they were written in short form as PTTS.
This boy, useless boys. Good. Then what are your sales skills?
Sir, my skills, I'm a person who is ability to get well along with people, sir. I understand the needs of the customers. So I satisfy their needs, mainly the communication skills. So the way, the art of communication we do as to the customer makes sales to the bank, and also creates and sustains the needs of customers.
Good. No, you should say I rate my sales skill as 100%. So
yes,
I will try to convince people, even if they are not getting convinced, I will be pursuing them twice, thrice, so that I am able to get the account. I will persevere without me.
Okay.
Excellent. Then how banks generate profit?
So banks generate profit in the way of lending, sir. And otherwise, they generate profit in the way of some charges like ATM charges, that interest charges from CCOD accounts, and other maintenance charges.
Good. Excellent. No problem. Are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Sir, anywhere in India is fine, sir. But if you post me in South India, it will be so better for me to increase and to balance and maintain the portfolio for the bank. And if I'm posted anywhere also, I'm fine with the language barrier. I'll try to.
Hello, what is the advantage by your telling like this? Please don't tell, because the people who are going to interview you are not going to post you.
Okay.
On the other hand, if you are going to tell like this, they will think a low impression about you.
Okay, sure.
Instead, you say, yes, sir.
Okay.
Then they may even question you. How many siblings you have?
Sir, I have one sister.
They will say you are the only son. Will your parents permit you to go away from Coimbatore and Tamil
Okay.
Nadu? You say yes, yes, yes. HDFC,
Okay.
where were you working?
Sir, in Coimbatore.
Oh, Baba, that's really good. That is one good thing with HDFC. They post people there only, wherever they are.
Yes. Yes.
So that way, very good. So nice of you. You are done extremely well.
Thank you.
9.5 out of 10 for you.
Oh, thank you.
I will select you.
Okay, sir.
But it is depends on your luck.
Performance. Yeah, sir. That's very nice.
Yeah. Best